Morning traders, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setup for today. So our move to the downside pretty much hit the level and then broke through that level. So the level we were looking for was pretty much this area here of 25718, and you would have expected with that close that you would have we would have moved a little bit further to the downside, but we did not. We moved back to the upside, hit the top side level, and now we leveling off, well, retracing ever so slightly. So yeah, I'm starting off from the hour, but even we go back to the 3 hour, we are still stuck in this consolidation pattern. And what is concerning now is we have diversions here at this high. So there, you can see we have high, lower high, high, higher high. So that is diversions, continuation diversions, the downside. Oscillators starting to group the upside as well. So I suspect either a double top here or another attempt to hit this diagonal, and it's short again. And probably short, I wouldn't say short all the way down to the bigger triangle, but probably short down to this triangle. And you can see what's trying to transpire here is a flat top triangle. Okay, so I'm still sitting on hands on this market, still way too volatile for my likings. And as I said yesterday, if you are going to trade this, rather use the smaller time frames. You can see here on the 12-minute trend changed yesterday morning, and we moved to the downside. Okay, formed the double bottom here, and your oscillators were all grouped to the downside, which indicated here's an opportunity to get long, and you had a good 300-point trade. Okay, so I think for me the same applies. Stay on the lower time frames and see if there's any structure that can happen on the lower time frames. So at the moment, what I do see some structure. You see a bit of a flag here. We've had a really strong move and we've got a flag. So what you're looking for is a break to the upside, outside of this flag, and then stop below here. And you can probably try and play for this measured move, but I'm a little bit skeptical because that measured move would take us to the next level. Let's get to the daily, which is kind of breaking the downward trend line and hitting the zone of resistance here in the previous these previous highs. So that is possible. And we had a range bar, and then we had a pin bar on the daily off for 200 daily SMA. So it is possible. You can see we are, there's a lot of merit at the moment for looking for longs. There's a lot of patterns on the daily, but I definitely want to see us have a daily close above this area here before I even start committing to those longs. It's 26,407. Okay, so for me in the meantime, let's just look at the half hour. This is the structure I can see. As a channel, and potentially we're busy with a channel break at the moment. And looking at the half hour, you can see we've got a crossover wide on the oscillators, and we're basically above the -80. So a good possibility that this rally of yesterday into the close continues today. So that's kind of the trade that I'd be looking for. But please pay attention to your levels to the left here, because they are going to be adhered to. There's your first one. So I'd almost expect us to rally, pull back, and then possibly move again for a second move. So you're looking for a second move equal to this strong move yesterday. And I think that needs to be just lined up along there. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Yeah, that's kind of my view at the moment. Still not really looking for long-term trades on this. So my advice is same as yesterday. Look out on the smaller time frames, trade the smaller time frames, and adhere to your levels. Don't even think twice about taking profit at levels. Okay. Anyway, guys, that's my view at the moment. Still some sideways motion, but I do believe we may have a good setup here for a longer move to the upside. If we do break further down, which is also possible, then what you're looking for is retests, and the retest would be all the way down here. Sorry, over there. So there was our previous breakdown. So that would be the area that I would expect sort of a pullback, a nice deeper pullback, and the oscillator's lining up, and with my moving averages pointing to the upside on the 3 hour. And if you look at it on the hour, we want to see the same kind of setup. Okay, you can see it's in a broader channel, so we want to see the same kind of setup. Oscillator's moving down at the bottom here, off to a level. So there are two levels on the hour. That's the first level that we've got, but then the next level is clearly in that area. So you're looking for something in this zone for an opportunity to get long again, and then you're looking for the second move to play out. Okay, that's kind of my view at the moment. Wait for a deeper pullback and then look for the second move. Your stop is going to be wide though. Stop is going to be below this level. Alternatively, you're going to wait for structure to form, and then if you get a breakout of the structure, then move your stop below the next fractal, which will be here. Okay. Anyway, guys, that's it for me. Hope it helps, and I'll catch you later. Cheers for now.